Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to foreclose loan from Hero Fincorp. First, I open Hero Fincorp loan app. This is the Hero Fincorp loan app and enter your phone number to log in with Hero Fincorp app. So I enter my number 9894 39 3789 and click on get OTP, and yes, OTP is achieved 410769 410769 and click on verify OTP. So your loan details will be showing now in the app. Just click on the loan details, and here this is what I have taken loan from Hero Fincorp, 3 lakhs, 36 months, 23 months remaining amount over 2,070,000, 2 lakhs 70,000, not 2,000. Every EMI I got to pay 11,928. So going back and click on transactions. These are all the transactions I have already done. So you have to look for foreclosure option. Click on advanced EMI. Up to 5 AMI can be paid in advance documents. So here there is no option for foreclosure. Once you got loan amount, you must pay EMI according to the what you have agreed. Okay. So to foreclosure, you can do one thing. Just contact their customer service. Okay. So and I log in. Two one two 6462. So go here and go to more button and click on contact us, so that you have email ID and phone number here and also address. Just draft a email to this email ID requesting that you would like to foreclose your loan, and then they will reply based on your request, and the foreclosure can be done. This is the only way to do foreclosure. There is no automatic options available for foreclosing your loan in Hero Fincorp. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.